Hello everyone. In today's tutorial we are going to see the first order linear differential equation. In the last video we talked about the introductory to differential equation. We see how can we identify the PDE, ODE and second and first order differential equation. So let me show you how can you solve this first order linear differential equation. The first thing you are going to do, you need to put it in standard form. So first I am given this question. I have to first put it in standard form. Before putting it in standard form, I have to use the three steps in order to solve this kind of problem. Suppose I have y prime plus what? Plus px of y. It will be equals to what? It will be equals to q of x. The second step is what? The integrating factor. The integrating factor, which is I of x, it will be equals to E integral of what? Phi. E integral of what? Phi of x dx. And the third step is the value of y. Y, it is equals to 1 over the integrating factor x multiplied by the integrating factor x multiplied by the q of what? Q of x dx plus what? Plus constant. So therefore from the question it says that xy prime plus what? Plus 4y, it is equals to 2x cubed. So therefore I am looking for what? For only the value of y. So therefore if I divide both sides by x, divide both sides by x, what should I going to get? X will cancel x. So therefore y prime plus is the same thing as saying 4 over x multiplied by y, it will be equals to what? X here, it will be equals to 2x squared. 2x squared. Yes. So the next thing that I am going to do is that I have the value of phi of x. This equation is the same thing as what? At this equation, y prime plus what? Plus phi of x of what? Y, it is equals to q of x. Yeah, it's the same thing. The value of what? As you can see, the value of p of x is 4 over x. Value of what? Phi of x is the same thing as what? 4 over x. The value of what? Qx is the same thing as what? 2x squared. So therefore this will be 2x what? 2x squared. Yes. So the next thing that I'm going to do, the value of integrating factor. Sorry, the integrating factor x is the same thing as integral of what? P of x. The value of p of x, which is 4 over what? 4 over x dx, is the same thing as saying, if I integrate, is the same thing as saying 4 integral of 1 over x dx, it will be equals to what? It will be equals to e raised to the power of what? 4 ln what? 4 ln x. And this is the same thing as what? As e raised to the power of what? Ln of what? Ln of x power what? X power 4. So therefore the ln will cancel what? E. So therefore the integrating factor, it will be equals to what? X power 4. So therefore I have the value of phi of x, I have the value of qx, and I have the value of integrating factor. The next thing that I'm going to do, I have to substitute the value of what? The value of y. So therefore y, it will be equals to 1 over, sorry, y, it will be equals to 1 over the integrating factor, which is x power 4 multiplied by what? Multiplied by ln of what? Integrating factor. The integrating factor, which is integral of what? X power what? X power 4. And therefore multiplied by the value of q of x. Q of x, which is 2x squared. And therefore what? Dx plus what? Plus c. So therefore y is equals to 1 over x raised to the power of 4 bracket. If I say x raised to the power of 4 multiplied by x squared, it will give me x raised to the power of 4 raised to the power of 6. So therefore 2 outside integral of what? X raised to the power of 6 dx plus what? Plus constant. So therefore y, it will be equals to 1 over x raised to the power of 4 multiplied by 2. The integral of this, it will be x raised to the power of what? 7 divided by what? Divided by 7 dx plus what? Plus c. Yes. So therefore, the next thing that I'm going to do is that y it will be equals to this multiplied by this, it will give me what? Let's say we have 1 over x raised to the power of 4. Yes. Into what? 2x raised to the power of 7 divided by what? Divided by 7 plus what? Plus dx plus constant. So therefore, the next thing that I'm going to do is that, so therefore, sorry, this is plus what? Plus constant. Because whenever you integrate, so therefore, you have to eliminate the x. Because the x is what? It's showing that you integrate something. So therefore, the value of y, it will be equal to 1 multiplied by this, it will give me 2x raised to the power of 7 divided by what? Divided by 7x raised to the power of 4, and therefore plus 1, which is you can say constant divided by what? Divided by x raised to the power of 4. I hope you get it, because I say 1 over x raised to the power of 4 multiplied by this plus multiplied by what? By c. So therefore this it will become y it is equals to x raised to the power of 7 divided by x power 4, it will be equals to 2x raised to the power of 3 divided by 7 plus c over x raised to the power of 4. And therefore the value of y it will be equals to 2 over 7x cubed plus what? C over x power 4. So this is the solution to what? To this first order linear differential equation. So let us prove or whether we get it right. From the question, what is the question? The question says that the actual question says that xy prime plus 4y it is equals to what? 2x cubed. So therefore we have to prove this it is equals to this. So then we have only the value of x, but we have the value of y. This is y, the final solution. So now we have to find the y prime. X cubed, you are going to get what? 6x squared divided by what? 7. So therefore this is the same thing as saying what? Plus what? C divided by what? X raised to the power of what? 4 is the same thing as 4x raised to the power of what? 5. 4x raised to the power of 5. So y prime it will be equals to 6x squared divided by 7, and therefore if I take a reciprocal of this, what shall I going to get? This is the same thing as saying minus 4c divided by what? X raised to the power of 5. Because this c is the same thing as c into negative of what? X. C to the x raised to the power of what? Of negative 4. So therefore c, it will be multiplied by what? Minus 4x raised to the power of what? Negative 5. So therefore if you multiply it, it will become what? Negative, which is minus what? Minus 4 minus what? Minus c 4x raised to the power of what? 5. So therefore this is the same thing as what? Is the same thing as this. So therefore we find what? The value of what? Y prime. You have to take note of this. This is the same thing as this. If you leave it as this is the same thing as this, whenever you find the derivative of this, you will get this. So therefore we have the value of what? The value of y prime. So therefore what value are we going to have next? We have the value of 4y, but x will multiply by the value of this, which is 6x squared divided by what? Divided by 7 minus what? 4c divided by x raised to the power of what? 5 plus what? Plus 4y. So again, the value of y. What is the value of y? The value of y is the same thing, 2x cubed divided by 7 plus what? Plus c divided by what? X raised to the power of 4. So therefore x will become this, it will become what? x raised to the x multiplied by this, it will become 6x cubed divided by 7, and therefore minus what? Minus 4c divided by what? X divided by x raised to the power of 5, it will give me x raised to the power of what? 4, and therefore plus 4 into, if I said 4 multiplied by this, it will give me what? 8 x raised to the power of 3 divided by 7, and therefore plus what? 4 multiplied by this, it will give me 4c x raised to the power of 4. So the next thing is that you have to say that this will cancel this. So at the end you have 6x cubed divided by 7 plus what? Plus 8x cubed divided by 7, it is equals to this. Must be equals to what? 2x what? 2x cubed. So what is the LCM between this? The LCM between this, it will be equals to what? 7. So therefore 7 into 7, 1 multiplied by it will give me 6x cubed plus what? 8x what? 8x cubed, which will be equals to what? 2x what? 2x cubed. 6 plus what? 6 plus 8, it will give me what? 14. So therefore 14x cubed divided by what? 7, it is equals to 2x cubed. So therefore 14 divided by 7, it will give me what? 2x what? 2x cubed, and therefore it is equals to 2x cubed. So therefore it's been proved. Proved, and this is what? Final what? Final answer. So this is all I have for you for first order linear differential equation. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Please do share to your learning colleagues in order to know more about first order linear differential equation. Thank you for watching.